friends, welcome. Engineering and MBA are the largest educational religions in our country. We produce more engineers than US and China combined together. To be precise, around 1.5 millions per year. Wow, that's a big number. But on the other side of it, engineers and MBAs also contribute heavily to the huge chunk of unemployed youth in India. In spite of having good scores in the academics and degrees from reputed universities, many engineers are unemployed. According to the Employability Survey 2019 conducted by Aspiring Minds, which is one of the leading skill assessment company in IT space, says that more than 80% of the software engineering students who pass out every year are not employable or they are not job ready. And this is true with other engineering streams also. Maybe few percentage here and there, but why is it so? The major reason is the lack of required skills, which the market expects from these candidates. According to the same survey, only 4.6% candidates have good coding skills. But why do they lack skills? Well, there are many reasons to it. Two important reasons are: one is many of them had not chosen engineering as their career, it's been forced on them. They lack the interest in the field. And the second one is our education system. And it's a fact that the quality of the education provided in tier 2 and tier 3 colleges is very poor. There is no doubt in it. But you might have heard and read many discussions about all of this. And I'm not here to discuss the same thing again. I want to discuss about how the things may change. Well, government has taken a step forward in changing few things with the new education policy. Let's hope for a few positive changes in the education system. Well, but that's going to take time. What about the engineers who are just passed out or currently pursuing? The solution for them is that they can take help of the ever existing internet era. Nowadays, every knowledge and information is always available to us on our fingertips. We can make best use of it and learn the things. If you are an aspiring software engineer and willing to learn good programming skills, then welcome here. This is Code Philosophy, my brand new YouTube channel. I'm here to help you with it. I have worked in the industry as a corporate trainer and developer for more than 10 years, and I'm willing to share my knowledge and experience with you. The prime purpose of creating this channel is to help software engineering students in effective learning of programming and becoming employable. But how to be employable? And how do companies decide whom to hire? The answer is companies do not hire you on the basis of your knowledge. They hire you on the basis of your ability to apply that knowledge to the real world problems. So, engineering is all about problem solving. Keep this in mind and note it down somewhere. I can bet on this that 70 to 80% software engineering students do not do their final semester project on their own, or they have never done any project during their academics. And the major blame on our education system is it lacks practical aspect. Only theory is taught in the colleges, and that's true also. But as per my experience, a proper blend of theory and practical is needed to get a job. Only theory is of no use, and you cannot do practical without understanding theory. So, on this channel, we will follow a special learning methodology. While learning every programming concept or technology or a language, we will try to answer four basic questions. And believe me, once you answer these four basic questions, you will master the concept or the technology or the language. Those questions are: first one is why. Why to learn this particular concept, technology, or a language? The second one is what. What the concept, technology, or language is. Third one is how. How to implement it in code, or what is the syntax and format of using it. And the fourth one is where. Where exactly in the real world it is useful, which real world problems can be solved by applying this concept or by using this technology or a language. Answers to why and what are theoretical, and the answers to how and where are practical. So I'll tell you why to learn it and what it is theoretically, and will show you how to use it in the code and where to apply it in the real world practically. So what you can expect on this channel is all the content on this channel will be arranged in a course structure containing multiple modules, and each module will contain multiple videos so that you can concentrate on a particular course in which you are interested and can learn the things step by step from start to end along with some real world applications. I'll also discuss certain key aspects to be a good software engineer, some insights to the industry based on my personal experiences, and some tips and tricks for the freshers. A lot of such quality content is coming up on this channel, so subscribe to this channel, share it with your friends, and hit the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever the new course or the video is uploaded. Thank you so much and see you soon with the first course on object oriented programming.